What's up, guys? Welcome to No Lift Garage. It's Gartrell, and welcome back to the channel. A couple updates. One, got a new front plate for the car, Stuttgart, because Stuttgart, Gartrell kind of makes sense, Porsche, whatever. Today we're going to be installing a cup lip on my 997. Want to shout out to FED Brownbacker for sending this out really quick. They did not sponsor this video. I paid for this shit. It's about 320 bucks, and the best part is that it comes already painted. So let's get to work, raise up the car, take off the old lip from our Aero kit front bumper, and put on this aggressive cup lip. Also, if you're not following the Instagram, make sure you're following, make sure you're subscribed. You could be automatically entered to win one of these cool Porsche genuine gloves in Pepita, black and white, and black, white, and red. Don't miss out. It costs nothing to enter. All you have to do is follow the Instagram and subscribe. Now, let's get on to installing this lip. So here we have the factory Aero kit front lip. It is aggressive. It does have the front ducts. So the cup lip is going to delete those ducts, and it's going to be a little bit more aggressive here on the edge. I'll show you a side-by-side comparison so you can see the Aero kit lip versus the cup lip when we're done. So with spring coming up and shows and everything coming up, we want to make sure that we have a nice fresh lip. This one has obviously been beat to hell, so it's about time that we swap out a lip for a more aggressive lip. If you already have an Aero kit bumper or an Aero kit front lip, it's very easy to swap this out to a cup lip. All you have to do is remove 2 push pins from either side of the back corner of the car, and then everything else is just held in via clips. So you just have to pull out pretty firmly, starting from one edge, and go around and release all the clips at the edge. Oh, this is gonna be tough. So to get these out, it is a little bit of a tug of war. So if you need to, just like kind of insert a small tool. If you pull down and out a little bit, it starts to pull out. I needed 2 hands here because it's a little hard. But once you get that lip undone, just pops out. Be a little forceful. It's gonna feel like you're breaking it, but it will come out. So as you can see, our lip is toast. So let's get the new one in. I enlisted some help to make sure it's all lined up, but we're gonna start just popping in. You gotta pull around, I think, right? Pull back and around.
Yeah. There you go.
Just clips into place very nicely. Push. Ooh, my glove. Oh, that looks so good. A lot of pressure, yeah. There we go, it's going in. Okay, so this is a genuine cup lip. We're gonna wipe it down, obviously, but it looks really good. It comes already factory piano black out the box. Thanks, Johnny, for wiping it down for us. And as you can see, it removes those front ducts, which still gives it a more aggressive look. Ooh, that looks good with the shine. I will say the 2 screws that we removed from the bottom are no longer there. However, I think the lip should be fine and very secure. There is a mounting hole there, but there's nothing to really screw it into. So I think it'll hold up. I think it will stay in with no issues. Very happy with that. So let's get a before and after on screen for you. And let's put it down and see what it looks like on the ground. And again, here's the factory Aero kit lip. Ooh, that looks good. Yo, that looks good. It is a street sweeper, I'm not gonna lie. Look, let's get a look at this thing. That looks really good. I'm happy with this choice. All right. Anyway, that's the install of the cup lip. Very, very simple job. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a lot more coming for this car. Like I said, if you want to win those gloves, make sure that you enter by just subscribing and following the Instagram page. That is all you have to do, and you will be entered to win a pair of very cool gloves sent directly to you. So with that, see you guys in the next one.